Wrong man killed in Mandeville, Jamaica. Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to Yard and Abroad TV. Much love and appreciation as usual. If this is your first time over here, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. It will be greatly appreciated. So viewers and subscribers, as I said before, a wrong man was killed in Mandeville, Jamaica yesterday afternoon. So I'm getting this from Television News TVJ in Jamaica, which goes on to say a case of mistaken identity has led to the death of a man after he was beaten by a mob in the vicinity of the Mandeville town center on Friday. The angry mob believed he was someone who had committed a robbery in the past. However, while the police have not confirmed his identity, it's understood that the man is in fact a member of a school board in the parish. TVJ News understands that the police intervened and the man was taken to hospital where he died. Jano people, this is very, very sad. Can you imagine a case of mistaken? And that's why I don't want to look like nobody, I rather be my own self, cause a case of mistaken identity led to this man being killed by a group of people. That is disgusting, people, and that is so sad, because I saw the video of this man. It was taken down by this particular Instagram page because someone DM'd them asking them to remove the video, and what they said was, "Can you please remove this video? This is my uncle and he was in Mandeville with his wife who just came from overseas, and he left her at the salon to go get a drink, and this is what happened. My family is going through a lot at this time." Can you imagine that, people? His wife that just came from overseas. They was in Mandeville. He dropped her off at the salon. Same, alright, him now go, sit down at the salon the 2-3 hours or whatever, him go have a drink or something. And this is what happened. Whoever is responsible for this should definitely be charged. Like, I hope them have cameras and videos, and I hope that they are charged for these people, because now the woman just come from overseas, probably a plan how to go enjoy themselves and thing, and look, she probably have to go plan a funeral for her husband. People, that's what I said. Sometimes jungle justice is one thing, but alright, if you see the person and you realize boom, in a Mandeville, police are always up on the street. Let them do them job. You can't take it up by yourself and look at it, kill or wrong somebody. That's what I'm getting from the article, people. Kill a wrong person. Like, can't go off look alike. A whole lot of people look alike. You see me? Mistaken identity. That is very, very sad, people. But the police is asking the citizens and the residents for information on these people. One of the police superintendent made an announcement last night, talking about the incident, and he's asking people to come forward. But you know how Jamaica stay, people probably not even come forward unless the brutal beating was caught on surveillance footage. But people, once I get more information, more updates on this, I will let you guys know. Alright, bless up in yourself once again from Yard and Abroad TV, people. Much love. Alright, bless up.